Under Rule 72(1)
पढ़ लिया 72।
of the Rules of Procedure, I beg to oppose the introduction of the Taxation and Other Laws, Relaxation of Certain Provisions Bill 2020. Other members have pointed out their objections to various provisions of the bill. I point out mainly to Section 4, where a particular fund known as the
देखो माननीय सदस्य,
सर अच्छा है कि आपने कानून बता दिया और इसके बाद जो भी नए सदस्य कोई बिल का इंट्रोडक्शन का विरोध करेंगे उनको पता चलेगा कि कैसे इसको अनुमति मिलता और कैसे अध्यक्ष पर सब कुछ निर्भर करता है। मैं आपको चेयर का जो महिमा ये उठा के रखना हम सभी का फर्ज है और आपको जो ये पावर है आप ठीक से इस्तेमाल करेंगे, यही तो मेरा इरादा है, आशा है। सर, let me start from the beginning again. Under Rule 72(1) of the Rules of Procedure, with your permission, I beg to oppose the introduction of the Taxation and Other Laws, Relaxation of Certain Provisions Bill 2020. Some relaxations have been made in the taxation proposal. Some extra time has been given in view of the pandemic. I am not objecting to that. My objection is to Section 4 of the bill, where references are made after the word fund, the word brackets, or the Prime Minister's Citizen Assurance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund, PM Cares Fund shall be inserted. This is a totally new concept of money gathering, subscription gathering by the PM's office. The PM already has a National Relief Fund and he also has Prime Minister's National Relief Fund for Cancer Treatment. Now what is the need of this PM Cares Fund? As has been pointed out, there will be no audit by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India into the affairs of the fund. I am told that big business, इसलिए sir, I propose that this PM Cares Fund be abolished and all the money that is gathered in it, huge sums of money, be transferred to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Whoever wants to be benefited from the Prime Minister, let them apply to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund and not to this newly formed entity called PM Cares Fund. That is why I oppose the bill which includes this word of PM Cares Fund.